I'm slowly breaking down, even when I hold you close. Oh, and if I lose you, I'm afraid I would lose who I gave.
My Ray-Dan cup. Happy birthday. That's what my husband drank out of this morning. I don't know. Keep looking. Good morning, guys. So, yours truly stayed up until...
And today we're going to Disneyland Daddy's birthday.
Whatever he just said. I stayed up until 5 a.m. doing my hair. I started my hair at 4
You've been
p.m.
staying up.
Hang on, wait a second. I started my hair at 4 p.m. yesterday. And I did my edges, but I didn't do the little baby ones because those are very fragile. So yeah, but I started at 4. I stopped because I have Maddie. This is the first time doing my hair by myself. Doing my hair myself with Maddie. Ooh, that was like, oh. And then I had to stop at 6. I stopped at 7. And then I didn't stop back until 10:19. And I didn't get done until 5 a.m. this morning. And I went to sleep, got 2 hours worth of sleep, and then was up again at 8 a.m. to get the day started for my daughter, because today is my daughter and my husband's birthday. So today my daughter is turning 9 years old, and it's so hard to believe that my daughter is 9 years old. Like, I remember when she was born. Like, that just means I'm getting old. And then my husband turned the big 3-0 today. Like, yes, my husband is 3, and yeah, and our boys will be 11 this year. Wow. And Maddie, this is Maddie's first birthday with her daddy. She is not happy.
And
say good morning. Where is she?
good morning.
Say good morning.
Good morning.
So we're gonna go get Miss Destiny some breakfast and then get her hair done. And then after that, I will show you guys what the other cards say. So come on, let's go. There you go.
Do I pick which one?
Read what it says.
It says, open me first. Card #1. Happy birthday, baby girl. Thank you, Mommy.
Let's try.
Let's see. Okay. Let's see. Happy birthday, baby girl. You are loved. Get orders today. You will be treated with what? Treated
Like
the princess you are. I hope.
Mm-hmm.
I hope. I hop for breakfast. Then we are going to get your hair done. Happy birthday. Love, Mom and Dad. 2017. Thank you for
You're welcome.
getting my hair done.
Mm-hmm.
Flat iron.
Mm-hmm.
Yay!
Yay.
And we're going for IHOP for breakfast.
For breakfast.
Yep. It's the first card.
Let's go. What are you ordering for your birthday?
Junior
Breakfast.
cupcake pancake combo. I want the pancake, the sprinkles. I want this one. I want this one.
What's that?
I want this. The same one. I want the junior cupcake one.
Okay, well, we can get that.
Me too.
What do you want? This one?
No,
This one?
thank
Okay.
you.
Hi, Maddie. Hi, Maddie.
What if I worked here, Mommy?
Thank you.
What if I worked here?
No, you're not working here.
It tastes better with the...
Really? You don't have a fork?
I do.
Why don't you use your fork?
I want the cinnamon. It tastes better with the pancake, you know. I got a fork. That's yummy.
Those are turkey bacon.
That's Let's go my pancake. Grandma
What
caught me.
do you need? Huh? She wants some food.
Hey, Mommy, your coffee is delicious. Here's your coffee, Mommy. Here's your coffee. Mmm.
How you doing?
Good.
Sorry, there was much communication with this pancake. It's coming out right now.
Okay, thank you. You can.
I see it.
Where you going? Here, Mama.
Looking at it.
Say hi to Daddy.
Hi, Daddy. Hi, Daddy.
Well, not you, her.
Wow.
Oh, look at that. Hopefully it turns out nice. Hi, Maddie.
You can't stand
Hi.
on that. Just give me some mince. It's curly. But I like it. And also this lollipop.
Let me see your hair, girl. Turn the back. Okay.
Oh,
It looks nice.
That's me. I know Mommy's brother. 0.
Go ahead.
It says, open May 2nd. Card #2. Happy birthday, baby girl. Thank you.
What's the first one?
I made that for you, Dustin.
Alright. I'm going to the secret files. All I hear in secret files is Justin saying, Daddy! Daddy!
Because, wow, you are looking.
What is that?
Wow, you are looking.
Fly.
Fly, girl. Lunch today will be at Chick-fil-A. And I gave you those.
You can't eat that. They dropped on the dirty clothes.
Then those toes.
And those toes and nails needs Manny and Paul.
Patty.
And Joy. Oh, you need an outfit for later. Happy birthday, baby girl. Thank you. I gave that to you. Now we're going to Chick-fil-A.
Yes, for lunch.
Hi guys! So we're about to go to Chick-fil-A. Then after Chick-fil-A, we're gonna go paint my nails. And then after painting my nails, we're going to get an outfit for me later. So we'll see you at Chick-fil-A. Bye! So guys, we're here. Yes, we are here at Chick-fil-A.
Chick-fil-A. Yeah, Chick-fil-A is over there.
Let's show you
I
guys.
don't know what Chick-fil-A is.
Let's show you guys.
Where's Chick-fil-A?
It's over
It's
there.
that. It's a restaurant. I think. I don't know.
It's over there.
Yeah.
You guys go see? It's over there. Ow.
No way.
So we're going to Chick-fil-A. And I'll see you in there. Actually, I'm not gonna end it. I'm going to be pretty. Like my hair. It's my hair. Pretty hair.
It's not gonna end.
It's gonna be pretty.
So hopefully everybody can kind of
It's
understand.
my birthday. I'm gonna get a birthday lollipop too. I'm still vlogging, Mommy. I'm still vlogging. So we're inside Chick-fil-A right now. I just sit down. I've never been in Chick-fil-A before, but it's really scary. See you when we sit down. Hi guys. So We decided to eat in the car because it was too busy and loud in there. And plus, I don't like to be in Chick-fil-A that is loud and people in there. I don't know. So we did decide to eat in the car. Mommy's over there. Mommy's over there on her phone, waiting for us to finish eating. So I got a burger, some juice, and some fries over there. Cookies. I decided to bring some cookies. I'm going to show you like this. But I'll show you later. I like this. Here's fries take me. We're about to go to a nail salon. What, Mommy? We're back.
Oh, man. Y'all guys are...
Look, my nails done. I got blue. And the other one is yellow and blue. I did it myself. Yeah. I don't like these flowers. I don't like the flowers too. I just made it up.
That's awesome.
Mommy, stop shopping to herself. Stop shopping to herself. Say hi, Mommy.
I am replying to comments on our channel, so I just figured since I get a break from treating this young lady to an awesome birthday that I would respond to comments on our videos and get ready to go get her nails done. And then she has the last envelope to open up, and then her dad has his last envelope to open up too. And then I'm done because I'm tired. I'm so tired. So
You are tired.
her hair looks really nice though. I like the cut. This is her third cut in her whole entire life. Is it?
Yeah.
It's your third cut, right?
Second.
Second?
That big bag.
Yeah, it's her second cut. And she keeps getting split ends. I don't know why, but
Because my hair is growing.
it's growing. But I'll see you guys once I get to the
No, salon.
salon.
I already told him that.
I ain't eating the bread.
Jaxson.
That's where you have the birthday, Mommy?
Yeah, that's where you eat. For your 10th birthday, maybe.
No, it's 9.
Your 10th.
No, I'm 9.
You're 9. I said for your 10th.
This will be 11. I'm hot
No.
Say hi, birthday boy. Say hello.
Hello.
That's the birthday boy's sister.
Estoy tan acostumbrada a
¿Te
eso.
hace ruido?
Hi.
¿Todavía te hace ruido?
Sí, hace sí.
¿Y qué?
Dice Roberto, yo no sé por qué hace ruido, no sé, porque se le cambió el calister, se le cambió, después que se le cambió los amortiguadores, quedó así, no sabe si los fierros chocan o si es porque son nuevos, pero hace ruido, sí.
If only I understood what my mother-in-law was saying. I don't understand one thing.
Mi troca también hace el mismo ruido.
¿Sí?
Por eso que está sentada ahí, porque no sé lo que es.
No, we don't.
I hate vans, but they're comfortable.
Lucy?
They are comfortable. Yeah, I love Lucy.
Oh my god. I'm all white and I don't have freckles in my face, okay?
We could make some freckles for you.
Oh god.
You always do.
So, what are you gonna eat? Olive Garden? I figured Olive Garden would be good. You thought that was a straw? This young lady right here.
Wait, yeah. It looks like a
Smoothie for their birthday girl. Yes. What did you get, Wendy?
You guys serve one in salad here, right? Salad? We serve it after we do the entree. Okay.
I want these.
What do you want?
The Parmesan zucchini bites. Yeah.
Zucchini? Zucchini or zucchini?
Zucchini.
Zucchini. Okay. Oh, look at Miss Tane. What's her name? Taney?
Tenny.
Tenny, whatever. Miss Tenny is new to the family. Move her Lily out the way. Jason, what are you doing? Hi.
Let's play a game.
Oh, you are.
What if she says something?
Hi, Jackson.
I will leave you in the car by yourself.
Hi.
Miss Maddie is here.
Spit.
Miss Maddie.
I played treasure on the day. Okay, I'm done with this game again.
We got Grandma and Sissy
Mommy, look what I took off.
and old man. Big old man.
After I'm finished, look what I took
Huh?
off.
No, I said we have no, I said we have not you. You're young. Can I help you, Maddie? Juices are here. This is my happy face.
This is my happy day.
So we're sitting here waiting for our food to come, and I'm tired. I'm really tired. I could go home and sleep. Say hi, guys. Yeah. No. What did you get, honey?
Steak.
Ooh, that looks good.
Which one cheeseburger?
Jackson, what do you have? Sliders? Birthday girl, what you have?
French fried mac and cheese with ketchup and gravy.
That boy over there have burger. This guy has something. Grandma has tour of Italy, and Sissy got lasagna. Anyways, yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching this birthday vlog. Destiny and her father enjoyed their birthday, and I'm tired. I'm exhausted. I didn't get finished with my hair until 5:19. Took a little nap. Woke up at 7. Was back on the road by 8:30. So I'm exhausted. I need to take a nap. So we'll see you guys on... I might give you guys a vlog for Friday. I'm not sure. Or I might do a haul because I have that box. I don't know if you can. That box down there just came in. So I'm gonna go clean my house and get ready for Friday. And I like to be ready a couple days out before Sabbath starts, so I'm gonna go do that. So thank you guys. Oh, and also thank you so much for all my new subscribers that came over from Blue Rose's channel. So yeah, welcome. And as always, if my brain is so blank right now, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and I will talk to you guys on Friday. Bye.
I know, baby,